Leak prevention is the #1 concern of any developer, building owner, or do-it-yourselfer when you're putting in a shower.
We are the only product on the market that make a one-piece waterproof and leak-proof pan with the drain already integrated.
We understand the needs of the construction industry. Whether you're in hospitality or in an apartment, you're going to lose days of occupancy when you're putting in a shower.
Our pans are always pre-pitched.
Typically, a 2-man crew on a mud-based system can do 4 to 5 pans in a day. With our system, you can do 32 pans in a day.
You know, it's a product that we put a lot of thought into the installation instructions and the design so that it can be installed by really anybody in 30 minutes or less. Our main product being the shower pan, which is patented.
When they're building a project, and it's going to be a nice project, they're looking for high quality. And the products that we produce are that.
By adding the drain during the manufacturing process, we are able to remove that leak point. It's lightweight, it's easy to install, and it's tough.
The innovation and the technology starts with our people, brilliant engineers that are at the manufacturing facility.
I'm here until the last truck leaves, and I follow through all the way until the item gets to the customer.
We have a 200,000 square foot warehouse in Elkhart, Indiana. We ship same day for over 200 different products because we know that that's important for customers, especially once the shower's torn out. You need it replaced often that day. It's all made here in the United States.
Our employees take pride in what they do. They're passionate about it.
Some people think it's only shower pans. Some people actually need these pans. They either need it for handicap reasons. I want my team to understand there's a reason why somebody needs that on the other end. They send us critical orders that they have to ship today. We actually have the inventory available for it to leave immediately.
A lot of shops have limitations we don't. We're constantly working with new customers to do configurations that other people can't.
The Redi Your Way product is a shower pan that can be made in any shape, any size, any drain location. It really allows for the customer to envision what they want their shower to be.
For the owners, it's all about peace of mind. The last thing you want is a callback for a leak. When we want to change a product and respond to customer feedback, we do that with a very talented and entrepreneurial cross-functional group.
When Tile Redi is used on a project, they know that they have a solid product standing between them and a leak.